The woodpeckers back at work this morning, and I think what happened, I think the neighbors that were chopping down all those trees, I think they took down some woodpeckers' homes. I'm here with this guy. Let's see who this is. Is it Henna? I think it is. Yep, it's Henna. Got the little piece of white on the back of his neck. His eye's all healed. One thing I'll say about that eye injury, it made it easier to recognize him for a little bit there. This is Yellow Belly. She's a sweetie. And this is LD. Lovey-doo. He did his lovey-doo hang on me yesterday. It's how he got his name. And little guy, I think that's Grabby. Yep. I'm gonna go get some waters for the water bowl. Water bowls. 6 water bowls. Yellow Belly needs another one. Come here, Yellow Belly. Alright, I'm here with Mr. Elmo here. At least I think this is Elmo. I'm wondering if I have 2 new guys and one passes himself off as Elmo and I get confused. I don't know where he is. We got Racky with Cargo. Racky and I really bonded yesterday. It was really windy and everyone else was like hanging out in their huts. And Rocky was coming up and climbing into my lap. It was really neat. Alright, I don't generally tell people this, but Cargo girl, one of the things that makes her so amazing, she's missing a finger on her front right paw and her front left, and her back left paw is no longer functioning. And she still gets in a chasey chase every day. She's a good girl. Just after I said that, she chased this guy up onto the deck. Is this Elmo? Elmo, is that you? Come here, Elmo. Is that you? No, I don't think it's Elmo. I think I have 2 new guys. Oh, that's Elmo. Guess we're all excited. The woodpeckers are building some new homes. Because waiting for this tree to grow isn't going to work out. And even when it does, we can't make a home in it. Here's L'Oreal. Oh. Okay, Pinback Ears is here again. Yeah, Dirty Harry up there. Pinback Ears runs away from me. Oh, there's L'Oreal. And there's Miss Condo Girl. Oh! There's Miss L'Oreal. And here's Pinback Ears. I'm trying to get rid of these hawks. Yeah. Too much is right here with me. He always sticks by me during these times. Like he knows if he's here, he's not going to get hurt. He's got to stick by the big Amy. Alright, I saw somebody come up here. There she is. Gonna come back downstairs? Downstairs? Okay, let's go downstairs. You wanna go downstairs? Come here. Here you go. Hey, 2-pack. I don't have enough video of you, sweetie. You wanna do it? Sometimes she does. Usually she doesn't.